Okay, so this one is a Dell, Dell Latitude E2300. So we're going to replace the screen on this. I've already taken the cover off. Okay, the cover was, right on it. So I've already taken it off. And now I'm going to take off the screen itself. So I'm going to start with these screws here. And again, make note of the screws, right? Because they're different screws and different areas. Okay. I'll take this one out.
And then the bottom one.
And then the bottom one right here. Okay. 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 Put it down. Put it down this way. Okay. And then just roll it gently. Always be gentle, fellas. Always be gentle, because the wires are very, very easy to rip. Okay. So this is the old screen. Now what we got to do is we got to take out also the power inverter and replace the power inverter too. Okay, so let me see. Where's the power? Oh, okay, I see. There's the screws right there. All right. Well, easy stuff. First, we gotta remove this. Okay. Alright. Okay. So there we go. Now we've removed that part out. So we gotta take this part out also. Let me see. Okay. Just trying to see how they have this inserted in. Okay. All right. Perfect. So now we'll proceed. So I'll let you pause.